Of 1,000 horsepower, ladies and gentlemen. And what I would like you to do, each and every person around this arena, get involved. When we go to do the grand when we go to do the tug of war, and when we go to crush the cars, you will hear me say, are you ready? I want you all to give us a nice loud countdown. 3, 2, 1, and when you say 1, these trucks go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, one more time. Do you want to see some damage? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! But like I said, Grim Reaper, the faster of the two trucks there. Now, a little bit of communication goes on between Sam and Christopher as to who gets which half of the car. The winner of the tug of war is the monster truck with the biggest piece of car, ladies and gentlemen. This bit is my favourite. Crushing cars is what monster trucks are meant to do. We're the only team in the world that does the tug of war. Your 206 to the scrapyard in the sky. Let me hear you make some noise. Who wants to see the French car die? Woo! Come on, you can do better than that. Do you want to see some damage? Woo! Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, the doors have fell off, the seats have fell out. There's carnage all over the arena. Out here, I'm having to work double time. As the guys drop off the two halves of the car. Big Pete today is wearing a hands device, a head and neck support. As you can see right now, I've got both my arms in the air because I am steering the truck. Right now, he has no idea where those strap cars are. I'm working the steering, you people are working the throttle. Remember, the louder you cry, the higher they fly.
And you speak and shout, and you style it. But it don't know what's coming wrong. There is fashion, there is fashion. Let me back.
So, Sam gets the truck down into low box, into four-wheel drive. Christopher will get back up into the intercept position. Now we put the second truck in the line of travel in case anything goes wrong. As well as that, ladies and gentlemen, I have a device in my hand with which I can turn off the engines to either of these two trucks should anything go wrong with the drivers. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as I look for a thumbs up from the driver of Big Pete. I want to hear you make some noise. Do you want to see some damage? Yeah! Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
3, 2, 1,
level at the front. And if he's happy to go with them, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to hit them. They do look a little bit uneven. So, as he gives them a quick kiss with the truck, that's lined them up down the square. Here we go for the first jump of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's back up the Grim Reaper and let's make some noise. Siren Sister, do you want to see one more?